How to make homemade cornbread. A fast bread with Native American origins, cornbread is baked with cornmeal and is a staple of Southern American cooking. It is a type of bread made with batter. The Hopi people of Arizona eat a lot of dumplings and pancakes prepared from finely crushed cornmeal. What sets Southern cornbread apart from traditional cornbread? Using yellow cornmeal and fewer eggs gives Northern cornbread a less sweet flavor and crumbly texture. Southern-style cornbread, which has a buttery finish and needs more eggs for a cake-like texture, can be made using white or yellow cornmeal. Cornbread is a good source of phosphorus, selenium, and B vitamins while having a fair amount of sodium and carbs. Cornbread is also versatile, easy to prepare, and can be incorporated in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Cornbread provides 96 calories per 100 grams, compared to 238 for white bread. White bread has a lot of calories, whereas cornbread has 60% fewer. Cornbread contains more nutrients than white bread. You can consider it healthier as a result. Now, this recipe yields a buttery, golden bread with the appropriate cornmeal to flour ratio, making it the perfect snack or side dish to go with chili, soups, or stews. Your kitchen will fill with the lovely aroma of freshly baked cornbread in about 30 minutes. Get made from scratch in a cast iron skillet using readily available ingredients that are already in your kitchen. You'll rediscover your love for cornbread. The entire process only takes 25 minutes. It can also be prepared in a skillet or any other baking dish. Ingredients for cornbread. All-purpose flour gives bread its spongy, cakey texture by allowing it to rise a little bit. For cornbread, you must use yellow cornmeal. It imparts the bread's lovely golden brown hue and its deliciously gritty texture. Granulated sugar, this adds just the right amount of sweetness to the bread to counteract the flavors of the maize and bread. Just a little of salt will enhance the complexity of flavors. Baking powder, to aid in the dough's expansion and rise during baking. Butter, this is a necessity since it gives the bread a heavenly, moist, flaky, rich flavor. Egg, this unites everything and promotes bread rising. For a rich, moist cornbread, milk. A 9-inch round cake pan or cast iron skillet should be generously greased and placed aside. Set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve warm. Now you may enjoy eating it with your loved one during the fall and winter. Thank you for watching my channel.